So back to what sectors you think are really going to like take a leap with tech and innovation. Yep. Energy, you think, has got a lot of potential?
Energy, definitely. AI, for sure. And honestly, I think food security. Yeah. I think food tech in general and biotech is going to be a big play. If you even ask me, I honestly do believe longevity and health and wellness technology will play a huge role. I think we're at a time right now, this decade, we'll see huge strides when it comes to people's health. We're seeing people live longer, but we're not necessarily seeing people live healthily longer. People are dying longer, if you will, and that's an unfortunate fact. And I think with the development of AI integrated with wellness and customizable Medicare or medicine rather, sorry, I think there could be huge leaps when it comes to personal health.